Navigating the Haitian real estate market offers a unique blend of opportunities and challenges. Demand is high, especially in urban centers like Port-au-Prince, where both residential and commercial properties are sought after. However, political instability and infrastructure issues can complicate investments. Residential options range from modest homes to luxurious villas, while commercial spaces are increasingly in demand, particularly for offices and hotels. There's also significant interest in agricultural land, though transactions can be complex. Foreign investors can own property, but they must be aware of legal considerations, especially regarding land titles and notary requirements. Despite the hurdles, opportunities abound in affordable housing and tourism, particularly in coastal areas. Investors should remain vigilant about risks, including natural disasters and ongoing political unrest. With careful planning and local expertise, the Haitian real estate market can be a rewarding venture.